everyone! Are you facing the frustrating connected, no internet issue with your Android Studio emulator? It's a common problem that can really slow down your development process. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you several simple steps to get your emulator back online and connected to the internet. We'll go through various fixes, from basic checks to more advanced settings, all explained in an easy-to-understand way. Let's get started and solve this internet connectivity puzzle for your emulator. First, let's begin with the most basic checks. Make sure your host computer, the one running Android Studio, actually has an active internet connection. Sometimes the simplest solution is the correct one. If your computer is online, try restarting the emulator completely. Close it down and then launch it again from the AVD Manager. A simple restart often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, another quick fix is to wipe the emulator's data. You can do this by going to the AVD Manager, finding your emulator, clicking the small arrow next to it, and selecting Wipe Data. This will reset the emulator to its factory state, which can clear up many issues. Next, let's look at network settings within the emulator itself. A common problem is related to DNS. In the AVD Manager, edit your emulator. Click Show Advanced Settings at the bottom. Scroll down to Network Proxy Settings. Change the mode to Manual. For the host name, try entering 10.0.2.2. This is a special IP address that routes to your host machine's gateway from within the emulator. Alternatively, you can try public DNS servers like 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4, Google DNS. Apply these changes and restart your emulator. Also, while you are in the advanced settings, ensure that network speed is set to full and network latency is set to none or GPRS if you want to simulate slower speeds, but for general connectivity, none is best. Another area to check is your computer's firewall or any proxy settings. Sometimes, a strict firewall can block the emulator's internet access. Temporarily disable your firewall to see if that resolves the issue. If it does, you'll need to add an exception for Android Studio and the emulator processes. If you use a proxy server on your development machine, you might need to configure those proxy settings within the emulator's network proxy settings as well, matching what your computer uses. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider recreating your AVD from scratch. Delete the problematic emulator from the AVD Manager and create a brand new one. Also, ensure your Android Studio and SDK tools are up to date, as outdated components can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these tips help you fix your Android Studio emulator's internet connection. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you found another solution or if you have any questions. Sharing this video with others who might be facing the same problem would be greatly appreciated. Your support helps me create more useful content like this. See you next time.